Hi, Lynn here with Create Whimsy, and today I'm going to show you how to do a daisy stitch on this little bird card that I have. So you can see that I've already collaged down the bird and its little tummy and wing. I put one little bead in for its eye, and then I've got this great little modern flower power fabric for kind of like a landscape. I've already put two little daisies down. I'm going to put one more up here. So to do a daisy, put your needle in at where you want the center of your flower. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make a loop. So we're going to put the needle in where we started, come out, and notice how we're going to just loop this fabric around it like this. And then come in, securing the end of that loop. So we're just on the other side of that thread. And then we're going to pull that down, and that's going to hold that in place. We're going to come back up at the center. And I'm using Sue Spargo number 8 variegated thread today. Love her threads. So we're going to go back, like I've got the loop. We're going to go in, come back out, pull the thread, go back in to secure the end of that loop, and go down. My thread's a little twisty right now. When we come up, I'll show you how to take care of that. I'm going to come back up at center, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the needle, go down to the bottom, and then pull it back up, and that takes all the twists out when you're having those issues like I was having. Okay, we're going to go back in, come back up, loop, secure the loop, come back up at middle, loop, secure the loop, and you can make a daisy as many petals as you want. I just really like the look of a 5-petal. I think it's nice and clean and happy, just like this little bird is. Okay, and then here's our last loop. Draw the thread back around it, go back down, and we're done. So there's my cute little happy bird card. I'll be backing it, putting it on some Timtex, then with some white so that I can write a note on it. So happy stitching.